Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add a voiceover to a video in Capcut. So before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and like this video as it really helps this channel a lot. So if you want to add a voiceover, so you want to add your own voice narrating the video, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, first go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Capcut and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Here we'll go ahead and tap on New Project and we'll go ahead and choose a video. Now here, to add a voiceover to this video of a YouTuber, you want to go ahead and make sure that video is not selected. If it's selected, go ahead and just tap anywhere else on the timeline. Now from the bottom here, you want to go ahead and choose audio. And then now from here, you want to go ahead and swipe left until you see record. So go ahead and tap on this. Now here, you want to go ahead and press record and you want to record your voice. So I'll go ahead and tap record, allow it. It'll give you a countdown. Then you can go ahead and start recording. This is a Simple Dad. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Once you're done, go ahead and tap on the record button again. This will stop it. And then you can go ahead and press on the tick. And now if you look down below on your timeline, your voiceover has been recorded, and when you play this video, you'll hear your voiceover on this video. So there you go, guys. That is how to add a voiceover to a video in CapCut.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.